B&B Nation, we made it to our pickup. We don't check in until the morning, 11 a.m.
Proceed to the route.
Hey guys, B&B Nation, we made it to our destination. We down here at the Great Lake place. We're gonna pick up here at 11 o'clock in the morning. Right now I'm gonna do a 10-hour break, and I will come back to y'all in the morning. I'm tired, y'all. I done drove. I drove what, 387 plus 187, or I don't know. But I had, what make me so tired is when I had to sit at, I hate staging for a long time, especially at Walmart, 3 hours. I didn't take no nap. So with that being said, I'm gonna take my funk ass to bed right now. And I think I'm gonna do me a twist out, y'all, on my hair. I'm gonna do me a twist out. Cause baby, look at this puff ball. Look at the puff ball. But yeah, I catch y'all in the morning. Peace. What's up, B&B Nation? Yeah, I hate when they put. Oh, we don't need that. Hello. I'm sorry. I had to get out y'all way because my airline is too short.
Okay.
So it was dragging my trailer. But I'm here to check in with Art Garrison. What it start with?
Should be a 730. But knowing them, it's probably gonna be a 22X.
22X?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
22X 458 308.
Pickup number will go right here, ma'am. It'll be 730 472.
7 what?
730
Okay.
472. We had you down for 11 o'clock yesterday, so we'll fit you in as best as we can.
11 o'clock yesterday. Today's 7?
Well, no, they scheduled yesterday and they never picked up and they never rescheduled.
Good folk.
Well, there's another one out there too, the same way. Just check him out before you.
I'm gonna call and cuss their ass out. Not on y'all though.
No, they never rescheduled.
Because then they'll be talking about, oh, it's your fault, you late. But then you schedule. I just can't take it no more. 222.
Give you a Halloween ring. All we ask you is 3/28, please.
What? 30? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I hate when they put them I hate when you go get say for instance, when you go get your airlines put on your trailer, I hate when they put them short ass line. I told the man, I said I don't want the long one and I don't want the real short one. Yeah, why I do a damn turn and I'm dragging my goddamn trailer? And then the man said the low pole been picked up yesterday. Yesterday. And don't say, Arista, you ain't got your seatbelt on. Baby, I'm at the shipper. I'm not finna have that shit choking me. But look, I'm trying to stop learning. I'm trying to stop cussing. So y'all, why this law post been picked up yesterday? Then they said they gonna work me in when they can. But let me tell y'all something. These people gonna lose their contract because they have their buddies who they be want to get a good load to, and then you have drivers that's right there at the load. Y'all need to stop with the bullshit. Garrison, all right, Garrison. I've been over here 2 years. Stop with the bullshit. Cause in a minute, your evil deeds gonna catch up to y'all. Okay? And they go for every trucking company. They got them dispatchers with their favorite people. Okay? Listen. Y'all better stop the bullshit. Because without drivers, you don't have a fucking job. And that's just the bottom line. I don't give a fuck who run back and tell it. Stamp that shit, burn it up, write it up. Take that shit to the bank. Okay? Y'all ass need to stop with these. Oh, that's my favorite driver, all that shit. If you got a driver that is capable of doing the job, get them the goddamn load so we can keep the goddamn lanes open. Because why you got two drivers late? And then you got the nerve to say, pick up on the 7. But I'm ready to put that fucking detention in. And it ain't gonna be on the company, it gonna be on y'all funky asses. Yeah, that's the shit. You know what? I'm finna cook me some breakfast. don't nobody want to hear this. As a trucker, just like in police, we are one, okay? So if you see a fellow driver out there that need help, and if he's working on his truck, get out your truck and ask that person what they need help. This particular guy, he needed help cranking his truck. I already knew what was wrong with his truck because it happened to me a week ago. See, God gave me a discernment to help you because last week he helped me. So I got out of my truck. I asked him that he needs some starter fluid. I also noticed in his filter, it wasn't no diesel. You need diesel in there in order to start your truck. If y'all, I'm out here sweating like a hoe in church, but I'm sweating for God. I'm sweating for God. But listen, help your fellow driver, because calling roadside for some shit that your drivers can help you, that's good, okay? So in order, make sure you help a driver out. It only takes one driver to help another driver out to save on expenses. Everything is expensive out here, and you can help, because guess what? If I break down, God gonna send somebody to help me, okay? And I'm always gonna pay it forward. But I helped the guy. Me and the other guy, we done got diesel out the trucks and put it in his filter. Guess what? That baby crunked the fuck up. You hear me? So always help out another driver, okay? Thank y'all. Hey guys, they finally called me after 12 hours to come and get in door 8, and I got to run this overnight. Proceed to the remind you, I've been waiting on these folks to call me all day. Start recording. Alright, BNB Nation, they finally got us loaded. I'm making some coffee right now. Well, I'm making me an espresso shot because got 300 some miles to go before pick up our load. We got 336 miles. I don't know how much, I don't know if I told y'all yet how much the load costs, how much the load pay or none of that. I don't think I told y'all that. Okay, we picked this load up from Great Lakes. It's a cheese place. And we taking to Heath's Butts. Going to Houston. It delivered at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's currently 12:49. The load paid, line haul, they paid $15.92.40. Fuel surcharge was $143 plus 43 cents. All to the truck is $1,258.11. Total miles of this load was 408. Remaining 336. I think. Don't get me to lie to you, honey. Let me see how many. 339. They said we're gonna make it there at 6:06 a.m. in the morning. And we no more blogging incomplete loads. If I do blog incomplete loads, I just will not post it because today I had a time of editing that video. It's still coming out. I don't know if you like it or not. We ain't got that many people right now watching the page, so we'll be all right. Pre-trip done, coffee done. Let's ride. Stop recording. Stop recording. Oh, shit. Start recording. Start recording.
Turn right onto East Highway 36. Go past this light. Then at the next one, use the left lane to make a U-turn at Jake Roberts Freeway. At the light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at Jake Roberts Freeway. For about 78 miles, continue straight.
They unloading you? Yes, with your worrisome ass shit. Let me finish my goddamn break. That's how I found out you hung up on me. I said, damn, I fell asleep and all. Shit. We go this way. To Southampton Farm to pick up the load, but to the truck stop. Hell no. I said to my next. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me good? What about now? Oh, I'm finna go pick up my other load. I got 160 miles to run. But I'm finna stop at, I need to stop at a palace or something, get some fuel for the trailer in my truck. I'm sleeping the second stop. I'm gonna get a lot of sleep. I just got 3 hours. I needed a nap. You know, this load one number like 300 and some miles I had to run, so I can run. I was sleepy because I didn't get no rest. The day before because I'm good now. I got that power now. That was a good ass power now. Ready?
What you say?
That's how you know I'm tired when I snore. Because I don't snore. I don't snore. I said, but the only way you'll know I'm real tired, I slept beside you, I didn't snore. You told me I didn't snore. Yeah. I did not. Yeah. I only snore when I'm tired. Your daddy told me that. He said, you only snore when you're tired. He said, that's how I know. He said, when you get home that first day, I don't even bother you because you be so damn tired. God damn, he know he too big. No, he wobbling. Shit, it ain't that he know it, it do he care. You talking about for kid. God damn. Yeah, then they go back to DOT. That shit right here go back to DOT, honey. Oh, shit. They breaking they. That ain't motherfucker. No. Every time. Cause every time you stop, like say for instance, you say I just stopped at the receiver and I've been here 3 hours. You can every time you stop at the ship or the receiver, right? Go into sleeper bird. When you go on sleeper bird for 2 or 3 hours, it stop your clock. It pauses it. It could be 7 or 8. Then you have to sleep for 2 hours after that. What this nigga? Babe, what is you doing? This man ain't told you can go yet, and you sitting here, you done pulled your big ass out. This man, I'm trying to get out the gate because he didn't security let me go. Cut that shit up, cause that's the shit I be needing in my fucking life. They said that time Sarah Rooster, you so goddamn hood, it don't make no sense. He said, I watch you listen to some goddamn R&B and got sleeping. I said, I don't. Yeah, cause they be like, Arisa, you so hood. And I get tired of people calling me like hood. You know what they tell you? You know what they be telling you, you arrogant? You said the ugly hoes. It's a song though. I said that's what they be telling you, you arrogant. Why? They most definitely won't like me. Shit. I know I'm arrogant. It's a motherfucker. But I'm conceited. Yeah, okay. 6 cell phone. Hell, I can't even keep up with the 2. Because I done had 2. And both of my phones on, I can't even keep the fuck up. Why you had 3? Ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, you got rid of part of.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hey, the nigga, why you got me my turtleneck so goddamn short, nigga? Just because your dick short, don't hang my lines that short. His shoes cost $300. That's why he got. Who the fuck want to steal some $300 shoes? He said his shoes cost $300 and it's fucked up because he got to walk everywhere with a gun. Alright, let's get this shit pumping. If I can't stop and take a damn shower. Hell yeah, they gonna wake me all the way up. They shit give me energy. I love my shower time. Huh? Cause I'm a little musty. I probably got a little tang to me, but I'm finna go wash it off. Nah, I might got a little tang to me. I'm a real ass nigga. Got a little tang to it, huh? Go get these working panties and take them off. Shut up. Because there you go.
Left.
Maybe we don't want to make some more. And my style and the way I
Right to
roll.
lanes. Right.
I hope y'all ain't got me going no fucked up ass way.
Right. In about 14 miles, take the exit to merge onto I-45 North toward Dallas.
I'm just saying the way these folk won't let you get the fuck over. Like, bro, I'm not even finna try to race you, bitch ass nigga. But that's the stupidest shit in fucking America. Like, oh, you know what? I need to count. It's over 20. Cause I don't even be talking about niggas all the time. I be talking about bitches too.